Green smoothies are the healthiest fast food out there. I cannot tell you how much time I save every day when it comes to meals when I make green smoothies for my meal. So I want to walk you through a couple ways to make this as fast as possible so you can do green smoothies even faster than you can drive through Taco Bell. All right, so let's get started. First way you're gonna learn is to prep ahead. And so when you prep ahead, that means you take all the recipes you wanna have that week and put them into mason jars or freezer packs, whichever way you prefer. So the full recipe is in here. So this is for our simple strawberry. We've got strawberries, bananas, spinach. Make sure when you're layering that the leafy greens are at the top, because what you're gonna do is you're gonna put this in your freezer just like this, or just like this. And then when it's time to blend that morning, you're gonna pull it out, add in your liquid base. Do not add your liquid base before you freeze it. You wanna do it afterwards. So you're gonna add in your liquid base, and then you're gonna pour this upside down right into your blender. And the liquid and the gravity from all the frozen fruit is gonna push the spinach out so nothing gets stuck in your jar and you're not reaching your hand in and all of that. So this is the quickest and easiest way to do that. These are silicone reusable freezer bags. You can also do Ziploc bags. I know a lot of rock stars do that too. But these are great because you reuse them every week. So another tip there. Also, what my sister loves to do is she blends all of her smoothies all week. So if you live in a house where people are sleeping or you share walls with an apartment, you may not want to be using your blender at 5 a.m. or whatever time you have to leave for work. So what you can do is on a Sunday, you can blend all of your smoothies for the week, put them in freezer safe containers and pour it in, leave some space for expansion at the top, put your lid on and put it in the freezer and freeze all of your smoothies already blended. So what happens is she'll get up in the morning before she goes to work, she grabs her frozen smoothie, brings it to work with her, leaves it out on her desk, and by the time it's lunchtime when she wants it, it's ready to go. And she's got the healthiest fast food there is. So these are time-saving tips to help you because really health should be accessible to all of us and time shouldn't be an issue. So I hope this is helpful, and if it was, please give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate that. And if you have any questions or want me to talk any more about it, just leave a comment below and I would love to help you out. All right, until next time, peace, love, and leafy greens.